There's the bone. There's B. God. Close.
We thought to keep our knees from going completely stiff and horrid, we'd just do a little 10-mile ride to keep the muscles moving.
You guys are legends. Get your camera. See you later, big guy.
Have a great bike. You'll be warm within like 10 minutes. Yeah. Do you know where you're going?
Yeah. Well, that was sad. So they're gone and our rest day is over. Good morning, everyone. Again, we're in an area of outstanding natural beauty. That's what the light green means on a map, and we're headed towards Wigan. So we've got these new vests, and we've written on the back. I'll just show you, but we've written on the back, Land's End, John O'Groats, Death Santander. People are just loving it. I mean, it's amazing what a little bit of Sharpie can do. It's very warm and a little bit hilly, but things are going well this morning, I feel. It's having an absolute breakdown, which sucks because it is an amazing day for it. And there's just this amazing, I don't know if you can see it because I can't really see what's going on. There's an amazing mountain and mist and, oh, it's sad, it's really sad. So we're trying to find somewhere to eat outside a pub. And the owner of the pub comes out and without batting an eyelid says, "Are you lost, girls?" Girls! Like, not even trying to be funny, he genuinely thought I was a woman. But he was beside herself. It's not funny, I don't look like a girl, I shaved yesterday, so maybe that's it. Oh, whatever, I'm annoyed about it though, I'm angry. So, we're on a beautiful road, we're by a canal, it's lovely, but these conditions, this is apparently a national cycle path. I mean, look what we're dealing with here. We're sometimes going through just solid mud. I mean, these bikes are pretty serious, but not sure they're really meant for this. This is supposed to be a national cycle path. I mean, Google, you're seriously letting me down here. I mean, look at my vehicle. It is in bad condition. Yeah, B has, she's resorted to walking. There's a swan. I hate swans. I think they're the most terrifying creatures on the whole planet. That's the second most terrifying creature on the whole planet. How's it filming? Do you want to try and film? Welcome back to another instalment of weird roads that Google are taking us down. In this episode, oh my word, oh my word. In this instalment, we're going down a farm path. Oh my word. Oh, hang on. That brings me nicely into the next episode, which is this piece of Thanks, Google. Thanks again. So this happened. Not very nice. Not at all. A pretty grim end to the day, but we have made it finally. Also, this part of the world, for some reason, Preston, Wigan, wherever we are, in all these bike routes, it has like a style that you have to hurl your bike over. These things are not lights. Change it. Alright? It's just ridiculous. So annoying. Anyway, we're here, which is great. That's another 60 miles in the back. And we've made it. end of day 10. Staying in a rather snazzy Holiday Inn. And I'm still really annoyed that this stupid drone is broke. Let me just show you what we've got here. This is not going to interest you in any way. This thing here, this is called the gimbal. And the gimbal is not cooperating. Apologies, but these videos aren't going to be as interesting. Well, depends on what you like, really. Some people like aerial shots, some people like a little bit of this. So...
How many miles did we do today?
She's not interested. Anyway, generally progress is good. We go to Wem tomorrow. I mean, this part of the world is pretty dingy. My apologies to anyone who lives around here. It's just not very nice. That's about it, really. Not much else to comment on that one. You got anything else to say, B?
No.
See you tomorrow then. Oh, I'm so tired. Hello everyone. I'm really sorry. It's been a bit of a boring day today. We've been in the rain all day. We've been on boring A roads like this all day. I mean, we're getting loads of miles done, which is great, but it's not very interesting. So we went to Decathlon. This is every person's gear heaven, getting waterproof stuff. Got these new high-tech waterproof gloves because our fingers were getting really cold. B's got this new jacket, which is waterproof. Oh, I got this phone thing, which is brilliant, which helps me with mapping. We're on our way to Wem, and that's it really. Seriously indulging ourselves here. We've gone to a farm shop. Oh, it's so exciting. Small update. We're about 12 miles away. We're both in kind of agony. Our knees are really, really, really hurting. Like really hurting. We're getting there now, but oh my word. It's tough. It's very, very tough. So you might think this is not ideal, but for us this is the best thing. It's right on our road. You got the Travelodge, you got a Starbucks, you got a Subway, you got a pub. I'm so sorry for lack of any sort of interesting footage today. It's just been wet and it's not a very nice part of the world, I'm not gonna lie. It's just long and boring roads. Currently in the process of drying everything because it was a rainy day.
Currently in the process of B is, and you're sitting there.
See you tomorrow. Can't wait.